welcome to another episode of the Daily Chronicles. I'm Zanz. We don't have time to waste. With no further ado,
ngiyadonsa guysini ngiyadonsa nayi nayibona ngiyadonsa guysini phakathi mahadi
Angithayile kakhulu kanje angeke mfana kuyebe mfana etirandi yami yetempota mina ngeke angathi chaba le uyile wena uyile
baba nina asambeni sothenga amakota
I've your car.
O dampe ngwane no a scream mpila ka during clof o jole lolo fela
Wakampaler nagenga melala momo augele njunju au harile dating hari loja kanti ke ing di lo order cocktail tse dintsi bana kanti ke ing le di jojo tanka ankere mola har o dile di juice one o dile mojito re ke ing har fetso no raja re fetso jara tsama o sa re be bereke o de engwe strawberry da kare kanti ke ing na lala re order one drink for one person. Isn't the drink tse three for one person? How? Wano no kon felle sa 350 ka wana. Under mo di ba 350 sa terwele high.
guys akekho ofuna ukungimema esontweni lakhe ngeke senze lutho danko
Sinake bareke baruti man basadi ska nkerekeng bona ba tlo nyonyo ba la kerekeng ba tlo nyonyo bela ke le botsimaka asisi.
We are at a very dangerous time of the year right now. We are at that time of the year where your job is starting to feel like it's getting in the way of you living your real life, your best life. Like your job is starting to feel like an inconvenience because Monday to Tuesday, we are reminiscing about what happened over the weekend. Wednesday to Thursday, we are planning what we are going to do this coming weekend. So you can see that this job is not giving me enough time to live my best life. It's getting in the way of things. Like as much as I appreciate this job, it's getting in the way of the life that God and Mandela have planned for me.
Enjoy itoilet yakho ayifuni ukuflasha ngazi why.
Enzeni phela?
Hayi ngiyabonga mfana. Ngisizile yo. Hayi akusile into eyicabangayo boy. Yeah, like bengafuni ukuflasha like amtshele nawe.
Boy man bezimflashela la ikho into besiyenza.
Yabo. Boy.
Violina Catalina udeza san mimi mina primula mamina kadala baby upila na mamina mina mini mina mamina udeza san mimi udeza san mama Catalina Violina Catalina udeza san mimi mina kadala baby mamina.
Hey guys, it's over. Ngeke ngiyakhansela mfazi ngiyasaba.
Oh Chobi, why do Tswana people eat donkey?
Like why is that donkey?
Yeah.
But khani donkey hajiwe. Guys, ale je donkey hajiwe.
Donkey hajiwe Chobi.
Donkey is wa ke Batswana fela. Le lona
le mabele salwa kira ko Shoprite.
No, it doesn't have to be Shoprite, but we know
No,
as Batswana
culture.
We know as a Batswana culture hore tonki ya jewa. It's on le Basotho ba ja pere. Tonki ya jiwa. It's one a little like a legendary book.
The book. The book.
Legend.
I see the book.
It's
Give my shoulder.
Yeah, the book. That's why. This one a little link in a legendary book. As one about the donkey.
At least the Mashota. Mashota got my rubber starter. Gakra mustarate. But I let Tonki Likraga.
Tonki ya jiwa. But Tonki ya jiwa. Tonki ya jiwa.
It's what? Anyone. But what is it?
Kune show engifuna ukuyiqala yephuza face bring back my face yes buka ngakutshela bring back my face ngakutshela
when you are a middle child
middle child not a mistake
middle child is not a
mistake
middle child is not a mistake but most of the time you are unrecognizable we don't recognize you
why
it's like
it's
nature.
Why you mean? Why
nature? You are a middle child.
So the first one you recognize and the last one
and the last one we recognize.
What about?
But the middle one,
yes.
We can buy your brother and Momo clothes.
And me forget.
Like most of the time, you forget. You are a middle child.
Sometimes you forget me.
Yeah.
But is it? Do you do on purpose
No, it's not deliberately.
Like it's not on purpose.
No, it's not on purpose.
Like
we forget you.
Like you forget.
Yeah, as parents, we forget.
But
like the
why?
Kids, like the middle kids, we don't worry about them.
Why like
it's like you don't exist.
It's like you're stereotyping this
thing. No, it's like
the middle child we forget.
No, it's like you don't exist. It's like you're existing but you are not. You are a middle child.
Middle child.
Existing
but not existing.
Yeah.
Jabon. Now, mechanic. Thatha na message abuya ku mechanic ethi akayanga emaphirotini. Ngazi noma imoto ziye emaphirotini.
Appointment yemoto ayikafiki.
Yeah?
Appointment yemoto ayithi ziyabhukhelwa.
Manje period nokubhuka zihlanganaphi?
Angithi imoto mayilike isuse emaphirotini funa iyovalwa lapha. Ukuthi ingachitheki diesel la.
Uthi yena akayanga emaphirotini.
Ukhulumela imoto. Usengakafiki ukuthi ayikhanda iperiod yayo akafiki. Isalika.
Okay babe.
Akusamele ngikufundise dala ngemoto uzokhona ukwazi.
Yeah. Alright, sister.
Ngathatha izinto ngenhliziyo uzoyazi imoto yazo babe.
Malendal.
Sholo kwat.
Uvyang.
Hayi ke shapona.
Joki batla mosadi ya Motswana.
Wa mozono o sa jele makgowa.
Yo, ba bora yo. Ga ke ba batle listen. Ba bora. Ke shapo ka vibe.
Lona lo khwamos.
Na ke jola le mokhatla fela.
Mokhatla. Wa mokhatla ba jala ba khatla.
Ai. Even me I want them mokhatla mos.
Ba khona ka dikgopo tsa dikgona.
Yeah, ke le khola Motswana mos.
Guys, watch out. Josie is dangerous. Look what they did to my sister. They wanted to take the phone and the money. Sheba nje fela ka razor. Watch out, guys. Watch out. Luna baba di back. Josie. Abana bayenzani back bayidabula.
Lisatonyela man. Lisatonyela Luna. Sesini wonke ka motho mobe man.
Ka biro bua. Se ka mo ka bari man. Ke skomotana.
Nna se mo ka dingile. Man, ayo bana ka mama. Ato bana je mala ba to mo munyani.
Okay. Adiam penetrate. Muradole ba smile. Wana ka jwala re tshwere modimo di kuta, modimo di CBR, modimo di Yamaha, modimo di BMW la ba shine. Mana ka ba re mo I will try to drive 120 tsa tsao. Modimo mo tsa fita ka speed. Ba re mo re tsama ma 220. 320 la ba shine ro.
Wondithi lamayeza lapha kuthi eSouth Africa kuphela.
Amayeza? Anina amayeza nina apha nje.
Uthi amagqwirha strong aseZimbabwe.
Nina nisa abantu basaba ifoni basaba into zabantu nithi nina amayeza. iZimbabwe indla iticwa tata. Vala umnyango uye kundawo oyifunayo akwazi ungena pha. Makangene kaloku. Azazisola.
Uthina apha kum?
oro nasegadini bakuthi gadi yomuntu awuhambi uyoba imengo uyitshe mengo uyitshe uzayigabha ipheleleyo nothi eZimbabwe itani
yemani iZimbabwe strong
ani yadlala yabona igwava zabe ulitsha kancane kalinoza dalinje inkuku zayiva yikala ba inkunzi yenkulu
mara maZimbabwe strong ngomuthi
uthi nothi eZimbabwe ukuthi icwa amacango tata umuntu uyazivalela indlu yakhe nje ba oro anohlala 3 months 4 months oro mnyaka angakazi akho umuntu anongena bangena kaloku
esingana value madoda uyaphapha wena uyaphapha ndokushaya ukuhle man ndokushaya ho
ya bafu ya bangula ukuba ukona tsena dintsime bra kana mabandre chaitsena go manjo go dimwa go barking mo kwa man site le re philang go yona man na go kana lo yena bro ka bo 29 ne me para ke na le meja ga moralo me para re nna e what me para re phone ga ne ya raba ke medi me para na ke tlhalonyo re ra bile ke manju ke shile ngo wena shuka mo kana ke ntse nshima nampo tsa kana na le plastic ya gaile nga mokolong na le kipa le gaile le tšhinki aya flopo sa ya o tan tropela na cosa ana flopo sa
Ana so iqeda ke chief. Away boy. Boy. Away boy. Away boy. Come on boy. Mfana away. Away chief.
Yo, ke mamo thaka mphang 2000. Ke mamo thato mpha million ke chaile bathong tsayela ke 012 o chaile ke bru.
It's a personality. Ikuwena lento le yokushela abafazi babantu.
Hayi wena it's a boy.
And ngiyekusoze wayeka mfana wami ngikutshene mina. Ungangichazeli. Ngiyekusoze wayeka. Uyezwa? Noma utshwala ungabiyeka. Uyeke ngisho insango uyeke yonke into kodwa bafazi babantu wena nabo ni kanje izithupha zegwayeni
beyana umuntu yakabona ke o kapallwa go elata ka fresh mind o kapallwa go elata na le 20 years 18 years 19 years elata ka experience njaka ba tsene ka 30 years ba tsene ka 35 ka o botsa boss wa ka
asheka mo taxing kere asheka mo taxing la nghomolela ya linkitsi lena driver after water alinkitsi ne le salempila
Luisa lao ki mang?
Kindatonyo ba? Kindatonyo ba?
Dula kai.
Kindatonyo ba na ada mana ma?
Mana kai?
Angwa. Kindatonyo ba?
Bothata go nna mosweu ke gore ga o kwatile o nna mo red ga o ba o morile
Una muret. How bua tata una muret. Ai ke matata guys. Le khwaki masipa fela. Yo.
no go no look hake no khale ba baruti ba tlole bompsa a ba tsenthe ba tlhala ka yona o tshwale nna ke moruti ke tlhala ka yona boshibo botlha ka ra ke na mosadi a tle lo tla